You will need the following tools: 2 half-inch wrenches. Before assembly, it is a good idea to put a drop cloth on the floor. This will protect the chair. Open the base box. This is the smaller of the 2 boxes. Remove the cylinder and unwrap from the green mesh. Then remove the base and set on the floor. Set the base box aside and start to open the chair box. This is the larger of the 2 boxes. Take the seat back out of the box and remove the plastic bag. Locate the small red bag, attach to the cardboard supports, and set it aside. The red bag contains the hardware you will need for assembly. Remove the cardboard filler. Next, locate the armrest box and remove, setting aside. Take the seat bottom out of the box and remove the plastic bag. Place the chair bottom on the drop cloth, cushion side down. Next, open the armrest box, removing the arms, and set aside. If your cylinder has a protective cap, please remove before installing. Open the grease packet located in the cylinder bag and place a line of grease around the cylinder, 2 inches from the bottom. Note, the top is the silver portion, the black portion is the bottom. Insert the bottom of the cylinder into the base. Place another line of grease around the cylinder top, approximately 1/2 inch from the top. Open the red bag containing the hardware and set aside. Next, line up the J-bar with the U-channel on the seat bottom. You may need to prop both sections up so the J-bar slides in to the U-channel easily. Next, line up the 4 holes. Place 1 washer on the bolt head side and thread through the pre-machined holes. Then, place an additional washer and nut on the opposite side of the bolt head. Use 1/2 inch wrench to hold the bolt in place, while using the second 1/2 wrench to tighten. Repeat until all 4 bolts are secured. Next, unscrew the 2 hand wheels. These are located at the bottom of the seat, both left and right sides. Set hand wheels aside for later use. Slide the cylinder with the attached base into the machine hole of the tilt mechanism. The cylinder fits into the tilt mechanism as a compression fit. No additional assembly is required. Now it's time to bring the chair upright. Carefully align the hand wheels and tighten into the holes until snug. Do not over-tighten. If the hand wheel screws in crooked, stop. Remove the hand wheel and start over. This will prevent cross-threading. And now it's time to sit in the chair and get down to business comfortably.